Welcome to GearHead Insight, where power meets perfection and innovation drives the future. Today, we take you into the extraordinary world of the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome, a masterpiece built to turn every journey into an experience of first-class living on wheels. At first sight, the 2026 GMC Savana commands respect. Its muscular frame, aerodynamic edges, and distinctive chrome grille announce its dominance on any road. The LED matrix headlights cut through the night with crystal clarity, while the sculpted body lines give it that futuristic, commanding stance. It's not just transportation, it's an identity, a statement of what it means to travel in unmatched luxury. Open the doors, and you step into another dimension, the kind of comfort you'd expect from a private jet, not a motorhome. The interior is wrapped in handcrafted leather, soft touch materials, and genuine wood trims that exude warmth and refinement. LED ambient lighting runs across the ceiling, floor, and panels, setting the mood whether you're cruising under city lights or parked under the stars. The front cabin feels like a luxury cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster, a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a panoramic windshield that gives you a cinematic view of the road ahead. The seats are designed with perfection, fully adjustable, heated, cooled, and massage-enabled, ensuring every mile feels like relaxation in motion. Moving toward the rear, you find a fully functional smart living suite. The 2026 Savana is more than a motorhome, it's your rolling penthouse. A compact yet elegant kitchenette includes an induction stove, a stainless steel sink, a refrigerator, and an automated coffee maker. Every corner is optimized with hidden storage and clever engineering, keeping luxury and practicality perfectly balanced. The lounge area converts into a plush sleeping zone with just a tap of a button. A 55-inch 4K smart TV paired with a surround sound system ensures that no matter where you are, entertainment is always premium. Integrated 5G Wi-Fi keeps you connected, and the climate control system adjusts temperature and airflow automatically for maximum comfort. Even the bathroom has a luxury hotel touch, a rainfall shower, touchless faucets, and marble-inspired finishing that make it feel far from ordinary. Beneath all that luxury lies the raw strength of GMC engineering. Powering the 2026 Savana is a 6.6-liter V8 engine, tuned for refined torque and smooth acceleration. Paired with a smart all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, this motorhome glides over highways and off-road terrains alike. Every curve, every incline, feels effortless. Safety is where GMC continues to lead. The Savana comes equipped with advanced driver assistance, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and blind spot detection. It's not just a drive, it's a secure, intelligent partnership between machine and driver. The 2026 Savana is also designed for sustainability. GMC has introduced hybrid technology that allows the vehicle to switch seamlessly between electric and fuel power, reducing emissions while maintaining superior performance. Solar panels on the roof charge auxiliary systems, letting you live off-grid for days without compromise. What truly makes this luxury motorhome special is how it transforms ordinary travel into an extraordinary lifestyle. It's freedom, comfort, and innovation, all rolled into one magnificent creation. Whether you're crossing continents or escaping into the wilderness, the Savana ensures you never leave luxury behind. Every drive becomes a story, every stop becomes a destination, and every moment inside feels like home, just better. So, if you've ever dreamed of traveling the world without giving up the comfort of a 5-star suite, the 2026 GMC Savana Luxury Motorhome is your dream brought to life. It's the ultimate machine for explorers who crave both adventure and elegance. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube channel You Lost Me and Me.